Britain is in a housing crisis. One of the potential solutions has been to produce smaller homes that are more affordable to young people and to kind of early career households.
Homes in the UK have been shrinking, and the average home today is 1/3 smaller than the average new home in the 1970s. But what we don't know is where those homes are and what it's like to live in them. So we set out to use some innovative research methods using big data analysis to understand the geography of small homes, starting with London. The data that we've looked at suggests that the number and the proportion of small homes in London is growing over time. National Space Standards established in 2015 suggest the minimum housing size for a one-bedroom flat is 37 square metres. We're finding in our research that as many as 10% of the new build homes in central London fall below that. And on average, they're now as small as 28 square metres. We're not just finding small homes where land values are very expensive, we're also finding them in the outer London boroughs as well. And partly that's being driven by permitted development rights and the fact that developers can buy and convert office buildings and from this year, shops, and turn them into homes without planning permission.
These are converted office buildings, often in areas that are poorly served by amenities because they were never really designed to be housing. And so the impact there seems to be much more severe, especially for people who may already be vulnerable and who are most likely to end up in the particularly badly built ones.
The agenda has so much been driven by this idea of providing more and more housing that perhaps we've lost sight of what we might want in terms of decent housing for people. Housing that is adaptable, that can work, that offers space, comfort and privacy.